Here's creepy shed. Yeah, so we've got a light over here, and that might be handy for something. And here, I guess this the insulation or something. This is a that's a boiler. That's for the hot water. So, and I guess it just kind of sits here. It's not really attached to anything. Don't see where. It gets attached. All right, so that's interesting. So that's just there. You can kind of see. So we got a bunch of shelves over here too, which come in handy. What? Oh, tile bit. Nice shelf. Oh, do I have a tool? No, just the end of a tool. Oh wow. Whoa. Okay. Holy. Whoa. There we go. Look at that. So what? That's the rest of the pump. Ah, interesting. Oh, so that must be more shelves. Yeah, so that's creepy, weird storage shed. Oh, I got a little hang some tools here, and this one there's a light. I got a little light up here, so that's handy. Electrical outlets, whatever that thing is. And then, yeah, the boiler. Interesting. Okay. Oh, and then old-timey pump. So that's why they have that. Ah, that's for the thing on the top. Ah, I get it.